Shifting focus towards the Shadi of the year, ladies and gentlemen, Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant are all set to tie the knot on July 12th. A grand Sangeet ceremony was organized for the couple this Friday at the prestigious Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Centre. The ceremony, in fact, was attended by several stars from across the globe, including pop star Justin Bieber. Anant Ambani rocked the ponytail while Radhika Merchant stunned in a lehenga for their Sangeet ceremony. Anant wore a black and golden sherwani with black trousers, and Radhika looked lovely by his side in an off-shoulder blouse and straight-cut lehenga as well. Now, the couple's grand wedding will take place on July 13th at the Jio World Convention Centre in Mumbai. The first event is the Shubh Vivah or wedding function with the dress code of Indian traditional. On July 13th, the Shubh Ashirwad ceremony will follow with the dress code of Indian formal. Now, the celebrations will conclude on July 14th with the Mangal Utsav. And in fact, after that, the countdown for the wedding had already begun in March itself when the Ambanis hosted a lavish 3-day pre-wedding extravaganza in Gujarat's Jamnagar. Take a look at this report for more information.
The wedding of the year is around the corner. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant are all set to get hitched between July 12th and 14th in Mumbai. The countdown had begun in March itself when the Ambanis hosted a lavish 3-day pre-wedding extravaganza in Gujarat's Jamnagar.
Welcome to Jamnagar. Welcome to a night filled with love, laughter, and a string of surprises.
1,000 VVIPs from the world of business, Bollywood and cricket joined the Ambani and Merchant families for the celebrations. From business honchos like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates and Ivanka Trump, to Bollywood celebrities Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Saif Ali Khan, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt, and sports icons Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni. They all made a beeline for the grand celebrations in Jamnagar. The first event was an evening in Everland, with the dress code listed as elegant cocktail. With stunning gowns and suits all around, everyone dressed to the nines for the evening. They were enthralled by a mesmerizing performance from singer Rihanna, who gave her first concert in 8 years. All the big names in the room danced to her beats. The bride and groom-to-be also had shared some emotional words for each other and their families.
As many of you know, my life has not always been entirely a bed of roses. I've also experienced the pain of thorns. I've faced many health crises since childhood, but my father and mother have never let me feel that I've suffered. My father and mother have always stood by me, and my father and mother have always made me feel that if I can think, I'll do it. And I think that is what my father and mother mean to me. And I'm 100% the lucky one. There's no doubt about that. I also don't know how I got Radhika. So I am definitely the most luckiest here. Radhika has been, for the last 7 years, it feels like I met Radhika yesterday. But every day I fall more and more in love.
What do you really find when you find a partner? What you really find is somebody to witness your life. There are over 1 billion people on this earth, and what does one life really mean? But when you find somebody to promise you to care about everything. The good, the bad, the beautiful, the bold, the sad, the mundane. You say, I will see you every day. Your life will not go unnoticed because I will notice it. Your life will not go unwitnessed because I will witness it. And Anant, I'm so blessed to be a witness to your beautiful life.
Day 2 was a walk on the wild side with jungle fever as the suggested dress code. It was held at Vantara, a one-of-a-kind animal rescue facility heralded by Anant Ambani. The guests showed up in floral hats and animal prints as they took a tour of Vantara. Later in the evening, they swapped their safari-themed outfits for more elegant ones for Mela Rouge. The dress code for this was dazzling Desi romance. Bollywood night saw the three Khans, Shah Rukh, Salman and Amir together on one stage. There were also special performances by Janhvi Kapoor, Ananya Pandey, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karishma Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. But the Ambanis stole the show, from Neeta and Mukesh Ambani's breathtaking performance to Radhika Merchant's stunning dance. And finally, superstar Diljit Dosanjh crooned himself into people's hearts. The final day saw two events. The first one was Tusker Trails, which saw guests dress in casual chic and further explored the stunning forest trail of Jamnagar. In the evening, the Hastakshar ceremony commenced with celebrities in traditional outfits. Radhika Merchant made a stunning entry as she walked down the aisle towards Anant Ambani. It was followed by beautiful performances by Shreya Ghoshal, Arijit Singh, Pritam, Lucky Ali and Akon. If the pre-wedding festivities are anything to go by, the nuptials are only going to be grander.
And with that party mood and all of those visuals, we leave you here. It's a wrap from our side for now, but stay with CNN News 18 as we'll come right back with more news and updates right on the other side.
As the world warms, nature's sentinels will rise. As a billion hands will dig deep to write a new future for our planet.